Welcome back. Still in the range that the markets have been holding on to, a minor lick of about 0.25%. Eicher Motors is the stock which is in focus. It's down close to about 3% today, but in the last 3 months, it's seen a rally from levels of 3,200 all the way to 4,500, closer to 5,000 as well on Eicher Motors. So that's the kind of run-up that it is seeing. So now we spoke, one of our correspondents spoke to the management, Siddharth Lal, the MD and CEO of the company. Here's what he had to say.
Joint venture with Volvo for 5 years now, and basically in the 5 years has been to set the foundation. So it's about, we've had manufacturing quality improvements which is absolutely world class. Our plant has become, we've had our distribution, we have 474 excellent points, plus 300 roving points, plus container workshops. So we've set the foundation for our products, or for a trucking company really, to the right stage. And now, on top of that base, we're bringing out this full new series of trucks and buses, what we call as the Pro Series. That's because we believe that from heavy duty in particular, where India was more amateurish, where the customers were used to a product and a service which was, not so good, we want to take it to a stage where it's totally professional, and the range of trucks and buses that you're seeing behind me are absolutely top notch. And these trucks and buses, along with our manufacturing and commercial and aftermarket system, when you put them together, this is nothing short of a revolution for Indian trucking, and this is what we believe is going to be the future of trucking in India.
Now, speaking of which, we've also seen a new plant which is completely overhauled now. There are lots of new technologies being brought in, and you have a completely revamped product lineup now. So could you give us an idea of what kind of investments have been placed, and what are the future investments, both near and distant?
Yeah, so since the advent of the joint venture in 2008, so it's been over 5 years now, we've made investments of in the tune of 1,800 crores up to now, and additionally, within another 12-18 months, there should be another 700 crores. So the total investment that we're going to have made over 6 years from the start of the JV is going to be around 2,500 crores. But we've really got every single, the use out of every single rupee that we've invested, because we've made sure that the investments have gone in extremely wisely. So it's a single plant location that we've got, which is going to eventually make 100,000 trucks and buses out of there. So that is our first starting point. It's a very, let's say, it's top of the line, world class plant.
All right, that's the word coming in from Siddharth Lal. The stock doing wonders, and of course the launch of the state-of-the-art trucks helping that stock move. Let's shift focus to another stock which has suddenly come up on the radar, Tata Elxsi.